Hi there, are you somebody who experiences low back pain and you're looking for an exercise to give you relief? Well, if so, friend, then this video is for you. Hi there, my name is Morgan Brysden and I'm the creator of Center Studio, where I teach people skills to feel more comfortable more often. Now, before we get started, friend, if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button, also that notification bell. That way, anytime I make a video like this, you'll know. Now, today's video, I wanted to share an exercise that I'm always recommending to students who have low back pain. It can be helpful for people who have chronic issues where it's every single day, or maybe you're someone who, I have low back pain, but it kind of comes and goes. It's not always, but when it does arise, it's really problematic. Either way, this exercise will be helpful. Now you'll notice that I'm lying down on the floor. I've got a yoga mat on top of a rug. I'm on hardwood floor, so you might want to find something similar in your space. And underneath my head, I have this sort of stack of, I call them foam books, but they're really just little foam blocks perhaps. If you've got books at home you could use, that would be great. And if your head is sensitive to the hardness of the book, you could also put like a washcloth just between the top book and your head to create a little cushion. And the purpose, of course, behind that is so that your spine is aligned, right? Because if I don't have the books, my head will be pulling back and down, and I really want that these neck muscles to be relaxed and my head to be supported. So that's the purpose for these books. You're going to elevate your legs, okay? And I'm using a coffee table, which you can probably see is sort of perfect for my body because my knees come straight here onto the top, and then it goes all the way down to the bottom by my torso. So there's a nice space in between the two. If your coffee table at home is a little too low, you could put a blanket or maybe even a towel in between just to elevate it a little bit better so that you feel like that's a good space between knee to back ratio. Okay, so in between these 2 points. Or you could also use the side of your bed. You could use a couch, an ottoman, even a dining room chair works, okay? Just when you do the dining room chair, have the back of the chair perhaps parallel, right, with your body, and then your legs will rest right over the top of that seat of the chair. And if your feet dangle, friend, c'est la vie, it's okay. So the idea is really just focused on the fact that your legs are no longer being supported by your back. The table is taking that weight off of my lower back, and it really feels nice. You're going to probably feel your pelvis start to widen and open up a little bit. You'll feel the spine wanting to elongate. And for those of you who are familiar with Alexander Technique's Constructive Rest, this is very similar, right? So the difference being that my feet would be flat on the floor, knees bent towards the ceiling. But in this position, it's taking, again, the pressure off that low back, which if you have pain, this can be very, very helpful. So you'll want to do this for anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. You can either use a guided audio, which I will link to below, or you could do it on your own, where you just free yourself of distractions. So that means no podcasts, no music. You're not talking to your partner about what's for dinner. You're really just here resting and noticing places of tension and then letting it go, right? So hopefully as you continue doing this sort of exercise every day, you'll notice that back pain starts to go away. You'll notice, oh, I feel a little bit more easy in my body and free. And if there's one tip I could give you, don't stop. I feel like it always goes without saying, but as soon as people feel good, they usually kind of throw their hands up and they're like, okay, that's it. No, really, this is a preventative measure as well. So it doesn't only help you get out of pain, but it really helps you stay out of pain. So if you can incorporate some sort of exercise like this every day, where you give yourself 10, 15 minutes, it'll really help you keep your back nice and strong and healthy, and hopefully keep all that pain at bay. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video and you'll give this a try next time your lower back is giving you some discomfort. If you'd like some additional resources, I'll be sure to link those below so that you have a guided audio of Constructive Rest. You can also check out how many books do I need. All of that information will be listed below for you. If you haven't already, friend, be sure to subscribe. You can also like and share. Until next time, take care. Ciao.